I remember Noah was speaking for about 120 years. He was preaching to the people and no one paid him attention. Hurricane Melissa, the weatherman was actually speaking about this hurricane 3 weeks and yet still no one were paying full attention. Some were saying this hurricane is not coming. Some did not believe. I want to tell somebody today that God is real. Give God a chance in your life. People were preparing on the day of the hurricane. People lost their life. People trapped in their houses. People were underwater crying out to God, help. Suffocating under the water, crying out, help, Jesus, help. Judgment come, and it was too late for us because we were not prepared. God is real, somebody. Give your life to Christ.
Water still rising in Westmoreland. Isn't this Bible prophecy? The water will take back its place.
I am not here to frighten anybody. Today I'm alive, tomorrow I'm gone. God is pleading at your door. God is crying at your door. God is knocking at your door.
God is real, Jamaican people. Let us seek God before it is too late. God is love. God is stretching out his hand. Come now, come and serve God.
He is crying out to the world, come and let us sit down and reason together. God is love. Give God a chance in your life now before it is too late.
Share this video with someone. God is calling.